Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what secret codes are and how to use them on the LENOVO K5 Play. Codes are various codes that you can put into your phone's dial in order to get some information. In order to use them, you want to enter the dial. Here, I'm going to give you a few examples of secret codes. First one is to show the IMEI numbers. This will show the IMEI numbers of your phone. The second one shows usage statistics and other phone information. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.